I have this very long bullet point list, and unfortunately it is not very efficient because this right side is practically empty, and there is another content that is located on the second page, and I think if I want to save paper, then I need to put this paragraph into the first page. So we want to make sure that all spaces are utilized properly. And to do that, we need to put this bullet point to be side by side. And if you want to achieve that design, then you have to select all items from the bullet point list and then go to the format menu, go to columns, and then you can select either 2 or 3 columns. In this case, I think 2 columns is more than enough. So when you do that, basically it will use all the remaining space, and this allows the last paragraph to be relocated back to the first page. And I think this is a fantastic way to make sure that your paper or your document is utilized as efficiently as possible. So that's how you can put a bullet point side by side in Google Docs.